Everyone, welcome to my channel. Believe it or not, I'm out walking around. It's not so muddy I can't get around. And what I want to do, you've heard me talk about the motorcycle. And I want to introduce you to the professional mechanic.
No.
He's the pro. That's it. That's his work area. And this is the one that we just completed. It's 21 years old. As you can see, he's got the sideboards on for heavy cargo. On both sides. And as you can see, the engine's nice and dry, like I expected. It's got a new crank journal, new bearings, new piston, new connecting rod. Everything has been gone over and redone. Very little, I don't think there's anything left to do. A new clutch pack. And it seems to be performing very well. How's it doing, Willie? How's it performing? Is it strong?
Strong.
Yeah, good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's his new bike there. Now, he doesn't like to use it for work purposes. That's his leisure bike. He's very proud of that. That's the Yamaha Sniper 155. But there we go, guys. 21 years. And it's had a hard life. Just this morning I seen he had 4 people on it, so you can imagine. That's his daily life. But it's the taxi. And it's the go-getter. Kawasaki. I'll tell you what, now that looks pretty good compared to what it did before we tore it down. And we'll walk over to the coop and see what's going on over here. Oh, we got all kinds of nice plants. Oh guys, you missed me, huh? You're not gonna let me in, are you? Huh? Oh my. Can't believe this. I'm seeing if there's any food up here. I see the container, but I can't see if there's any food in it. Hey guys, they're all gathered up at the gate. Now, how we doing? You gonna let me in? You guys going to have to move back if you're gonna let me in. I don't know if I'm gonna get to go in or not. No. All gathered around. What are you doing, Rocky? No, that's not Rocky. That's Bad Boy. Whew. I'm getting brain dead. There's my Silky. God, I haven't seen him in a week or so. He has gotten big. Now leave that alone. Ouch! I'm going to have to go out. They won't leave my foot alone. I got a sore on it. I'll have to wear socks. Come in here. Well, guys, so much for that. I skipped to hit my heel and they're picking at it. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys, we have actually got a quarantine area now. It's completely separate from the rest of them. We got room for up to 16. I don't know how many we got in here right now. There's 1, 2 down here. Let's see if I can manage to operate this. What you doing in there, guys? You know, it takes both hands to operate, so that leaves me out. We got quite a few in here. This is where to get special care and meds and so forth. And once they get better, we'll put them back with the flock. I got them going back to my area. The flies now, after they pecked at my sore on my foot, it's getting the flies starting to swarm it now. I want it to go. Sorry about that. Tells me I have to put me a pair of socks on when I come out here now. Hey, that's life. And we're back at the homestead. Take shoes off out here. That's my runabout shoes. I'll give you a little view of the chicks, the babies. Yeah, here we go, the brooding box. Let's see what we got going on here. There's the babies. Yeah, I think they're right at 3 weeks old. There's 18 of them. We've been very lucky with this batch so far. And another week I should have some new ones starting to hatch. I've got 38 eggs in here. And that's where we stand so far. It looks like we're going to get some more rain here shortly. In my little world. So, well, thanks folks for everybody for watching, and if you don't mind, subscribe.